Nice to be on a flight north somewhere where it's cooler.
Oh, I know. Way north. It's hot all over Texas, too. But at least we have some wet weather out there. A lot of people really needing the rain, especially here near the Austin area. But most of this rain activity is centered well to our north. Northern Milam County looking at a pretty decent-sized thunderstorm there. Now, with these storms, you're going to have heavy rain at times, lightning, and some gusty wind conditions. Some of the thunderstorms have reported winds up to 40, 50 miles an hour. Nothing severe 60-mile-an-hour winds. That's the threshold, but they're pretty close. We're also looking at some stronger storms over the hill country, too, from San Saba down towards Burnett. Even Georgetown getting a little wet weather at this hour. We're going to continue to see these storms as we go through the rest of the evening, mainly scattered in nature, but once the sun sets, they'll really begin to weaken, and we'll see them tapering off through the 10 p.m. hour and finally completely gone by early tomorrow morning. They are drifting south, probably won't make it to Austin, but areas in Williamson County and then along that line north could continue to see these showers and storms. So here's our planning forecast for the rest of the evening, mainly here in the Austin area. Partly sunny skies, 101 degrees. By 8 p.m. we'll drop to about 95. Still partly to mostly clear, especially south of the Austin area. But by 10 p.m. all of us seeing mostly clear skies will be down only to 90. It's going to stay very hot through the rest of this evening. Satellite radar shows the reason why we are seeing some of these showers and storms is because we have a bit of a boundary left over from yesterday stretched across North Texas. That's where these storms have really fired up. And as they move away from that boundary, they're going to begin to weaken a little bit. That combined with the sun setting will help them completely die out. But we have more rain in the forecast as we go over the next 48 hours. Let's go hour by hour clouds and radar forecasts. By 11 p.m. tonight, just some scattered cloud cover. Tomorrow morning, mostly sunny skies through the noon hour. This is when we start to see some of those showers popping up, mainly over our west and then moving through the central Texas region through 6 p.m. They'll be fairly scattered in nature. Not everybody seeing any sort of wet weather, and then once the sun sets, they'll die out again. And Friday, mostly sunny skies. We'll also see very hot temperatures through this entire period. Temperatures climbing over 100 degrees for the next 7 days. Temperatures across the state a little bit cooler in areas where they've seen rain. Waco right now, 92 degrees. It's just bumped up in the last hour. It has been in the upper 80s for much of the afternoon because of their wet weather. Still, though, 95 in Dallas, 100 in College Station, 98 in Junction, and 94 degrees in Abilene. A little bit closer to home, temperature is still on the hot side, except those places that are getting rain, like Burnett. 83 degrees there, but 106, or this is the heat index value, I'm sorry. It's how hot it feels when you combine that moisture with it. So it feels like 106 in Georgetown, feels like 107 here in Austin, 106 in Giddings. A little bit cooler out to the hill country, but not by much. 92 is what it feels like in Llano. Here's the actual temperatures. 86 in Llano with the rain activity, 78 in Burnett. Won't that feel nice right now? 99 in Georgetown, 101 is what it is here in town. Partly cloudy skies at Camp Mabry and ABIA, right around 100 degrees. And we're going to see partly cloudy conditions for the rest of the evening. Winds out of the south, very light, only 5 to 10 miles an hour. Mold, high category today with a count over 2,000, very uncomfortable. Tomorrow, very similar count is expected. So tonight, here's what you can expect temperature-wise. They're only going to drop into the upper 70s for much of the area. Hill country, maybe a couple degrees cooler overnight. For tomorrow afternoon, we're going to be very close to where we were today. We hit 103 here in Austin today. We'll go right around 100, 101 tomorrow. So tonight, 78 degrees for tomorrow, 101. Small chance of a shower or storm as well, only 20%. And here's that 7-day forecast. By Friday, the rain chances end as high pressure regains control of our central Texas weather. That means plenty of sunshine, and those temperatures right around 100 stretch all the way through next Wednesday.